MacBook gaming, retro, modern, unboxings, and all things geek.
Subscribe to Damien Plays and Stuff and hit the like button.
Introducing the Edge. The Edge is different from any mechanical keyboard you have ever seen. It's really thin, even at the thickest part. You know what? It's only 15 millimeters. But it's still complete because we put more things into a smaller space. It was difficult, but not impossible. And we did it. We optimized every part, keep its incredibly smooth typing experience, and make it stronger, lighter, and thinner. The Edge is crafted from magnesium alloy and carbon fiber. Both are aerospace-grade materials, giving it steel-like hardness. This also makes it incredibly light, feather-light. It's only 1 pound. You can hardly feel it while carrying it on the go. With the magic of smooth, low-profile mechanical typing, you can effortlessly use it anywhere, anytime. And that's not all. We thought about Edge accessories. That's why you're getting a carbon fiber stand too, all in a package. We're all about being eco-friendly, making the most of every material we use. Meet the Edge, an all-new mechanical keyboard like nothing you've seen before. Lighter, thinner, more portable, and the smoothest on-the-go productivity.
Subscribe to Damien Plays and Stuff and hit the like button.